Hey, what's going on, YouTubers? Troy here with another Geenie Hawk 3 camera. I noticed they were still on sale at Lowe's for $39.99, so I picked one up to put here in Indiana. This is a house that we're fixing up to move into, and it's out in the middle of nowhere. Got a couple ponds, got a pole barn, a cabin. So I thought I'd pick one of those up we just got Wi-Fi up here. And I'm gonna set this one up, but I don't have, of course, this is a wired camera and I don't have many options as far as plugging it in, so I ran the wire through the window there. Hopefully it'll work. One thing I'm worried about, I'm hoping I can run both these cameras off the same app, but of course it's going to be different Wi-Fi, so I'm hoping that the Wi-Fi is just set up through the camera and not through the app. So we're going to find out here in a minute. Well, I got it plugged in. We do have power. Now there's a little button in here in the back that you push reset on. Got that little compartment in the back, and it's got a little reset button and also the slot for the SD card. So I'm gonna get that put in there. Okay. Push that reset button and hold it in. Now, see if I can get that. My finger's a little cold. Not sure I can get that SD card in there. This is a 64 gig. I think it takes up to 128. It's still making noises, isn't it? Okay, SD card's in. Okay, it says blinking light means it's ready to connect. Let's see if I can not drop that. I'm going to open up the Geenie app. Let's see. Hit the little plus sign. Wi-Fi camera. Password. Next step. Make sure it's flashing. It's flashing. Yes. Next step. Okay, here's where the QR code. My other camera's going off in Florida. Let's see, you might want to take that sticker off here. Should have done that. Oh, here it is. Okay. There we go, baby. I heard a prompt. Adding device. Device added. Okay. Done. Hey, there I am. All right. Well, we're ready to mount this baby up. Yeah, just gonna mark the holes here. This was the hardest part I found on the other one, was just getting it past the camera to put these screws in. Need a longer, skinnier screwdriver, I guess. Let's see, now I'm going to try to get the angle I want. I'll leave that for now, but I need to lower that to get more of the yard and the driveway. Alright, we got her put up there. The wiring don't look the best, but this will probably just be a temporary spot anyhow. Okay, so we got Astercam, and then I need to rename this one. You can name it whatever you want. There's our view. Let's see if I can remember. Go to the three dots. Let's see. Motion detection settings. That's what I'm looking for. Motion detection on. Sound detection. I've never tried that. But awesome. That was so simple. There I got. There's Astor. Here's Indiana. Yeah, I definitely need a better setup on that. I don't like that view, but I'm limited because there's just not any plugins out there. But I'll have to figure something out. Might have to mount it on the wall over here or something to get a better. I like to have a better view of the driveway and the yard even. I think if I set it in the right spot, I could even get from the driveway all the way down to the cabin. That's what I'd like to do. But sweet. I'll have to give this a good name. Wish I was down there right now. Looks a lot nicer in Florida than it is here. Nice. Well, guys, thanks for watching again. And still got a lot of work to do here. Gonna have a new kitchen. But we'll be looking at the ponds. That'll be so nice. Anyhow, thanks for watching. We'll catch you later.